Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this color blocked Fedora to unlock the simple school style set in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is one of the items from the simple school style set in Heartopia, and you can get it for free by popping a golden bubble. And I'm going to show you where you can exactly find the golden bubble to unlock this item. So guys, you're going to go to this area. Let me show you on the map. Okay, it's right here near the river, the Rosie River. Okay, let me zoom out. Okay, right here. This is the location, and you will see a golden bubble here, but it's quite high, so I'm going to use my car to pop the bubble. Okay, just be careful guys. And I'm going to pop the bubble, and the bubble is moving. Okay, like this. Okay, we can jump high. Wait. Okay, this is the bubble. I'm getting closer to the bubble, and I'm going to wait for the bubble to go down, and I'm going to pop it up. Oh, sorry. Let me jump. Done. Okay guys, and that's how we can unlock the color blocked Fedora in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.